My work is about the facilitation of healthy confrontation. For so long, we've been led to believe that confrontation is conflict, and that can't be further from the truth. Confrontation is necessary for better understanding, while conflict is when you need support. They are not the same. We need to identify the fears behind our confrontation and learn how to address the situations and circumstances that come up in order for us to understand and grow. We hold ourselves back constantly. A few minutes of discomfort, not saying what needs to be said, is much better than months and years of an uncomfortable lifestyle.